और वो
Good place, good place, good guy.
थैंक यू वेरी मच, थैंक यू। रूट 66 ऑटो हब, क्लासिक कार ट्रेडिंग। हे गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल टूर विद ताहिर। दोस्तों, कैसे हो आप सब? यकीनन खैरियत से होंगे। आज मैं आपको लेके आया हूँ रूट 66। ये ऑटो हब है। इनके पास क्लासिक गाड़ियों की ये ट्रेडिंग करते हैं। इनके पास बहुत सारी क्लासिक गाड़ी हैं, पुरानी गाड़ी हैं। तो मेरे साथ रहें, मेरी वीडियो कंप्लीट देखें। जो लोग नए हैं मेरे चैनल पे वो सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें, ताकि मेरी जो आने वाली वीडियो है वो आप तक पहुँचती रहे। वो सिर्फ इस सूरत में होगी कि आप बेल का बटन दबाएं। तो स्टे विद मी, आपको यकीनन मज़ा आएगा। रूट 66 ऑटो हब, क्लासिक कार ट्रेडिंग उमर मूल में ये लोकेटेड है। और अभी आपको लेके चलते हैं अंदर। और रूट 66 हब क्लासिक कार ट्रेडिंग है। ये यहाँ पे इनके पास बहुत ज़बरदस्त ब्रांड की क्लासिक गाड़ी है।
For me, when I hear classic, I'm just
रूट 66 हब ये लोकेटेड है उमर मूल में। इनके पास क्लासिक कार की एक वैरायटी मौजूद है और ये क्लासिक कार को ही डील करते हैं। और इनके अंदर इनके पास शेवरलेट, फोर्ड, पिकांटो, GM, कॉन्टेक, GM ऑल्सो। तो यहाँ पे आज एक इवेंट हो रहा है। यहाँ पे सबको बुलाया हुआ है यहाँ पे।
And 80% of these cars, they're stock.
Like the way they came from the...
Exactly. The way they came, like if you talk about this is, B2B original. There is no touch-ups, no repaints, no nothing whatsoever.
How do they keep it?
See, they're not buying cars they're not restoring these cars. They're buying the cars which have been actually taken well care of, good care of. So if you talk about this, it's 100% original. There have been some mods I think to this car probably. The thing is, look at all of these cars, look at how they're in the original type. If you open the boat, you will actually see the work of art.
Yeah.
You will not just see,
Like crazy shit is going on.
Exactly. You would be like, what? Why is this orange? Why is the pump right here? Why is the filter right here? Why is the filter so huge?
These are the cars you see in local equipment.
Not in Tokyo Drift. Tokyo Drift, you'll see cars like that. So, these are something we can start. We will be starting them. You can, all of the cars are open. You can have a look. You can, check. Probably start.
They have AC.
We will be taking a couple of cars out as well. These are the twin turbos. One turbo right there and one turbo right there. Look at the camera.
This is pure on ethanol, E85.
It is.
I cannot start it right now because you guys will start crying then. But I can give you around later.
I mean, they might be crying out and just laugh. I'll be like, wow, yeah, I need more. Drive it's going to be. But yeah, so the thing about these modifications is that when you will rev it, Rodriguez, literally you can like skip a beat. Like for the first couple of seconds, you will feel like this car, the shitbox, with the language, it's not going to go whatsoever. But the moment it will skip and then kicks in, yeah, you're probably going to definitely want to, you know, skip a heartbeat.
Enjoy life.
Yeah. But it's turbocharged. Come on. What does it take you?
And it's
0
the
to 60
original
minutes.
turbocharged from company.
0 to 100 within 3 working days. Just imagine you're going at 60 mph, which is 100 kilometers per hour speed, and you're driving this petrol, and that's the wall, that's the target. You're watching something videos on your phone whatsoever, and you hit it. What do you think will happen? Do you think something will happen to this? Hear this? No, nothing is going to happen to this. But that wall is going to get destroyed. Trust me, it will be into pieces. The worst case scenario, this car is going to get a small scratch right here. That's it. Don't need any safety features. You know why? Look at this. If you hit something right here, it will go to here, and it will go to here, and it will go to here, and somewhere right here in the middle, it will stop. Why? You never needed airbags, 16 airbags in cars like this. The safety features of these cars were really high for their time. By the time some impact will happen in the front, no matter what speed you're going, you would never die. Your dying rates were very less in the 1980s and 70s as compared to today. Look at this. If someone, this guy, was to hit you here, it will go till here, till here, till here, max. But the passenger sitting inside, they will probably having their Starbucks coffee in the 1980s.
जी दोस्तों, कैसा लगा आपको मेरा आज का ये व्लॉग, ये वीडियो? यकीनन आपको पसंद आई होगी। और बहुत सारे इन्फ्लुएंसर भी थे इसके अंदर जो अपने अपने कंटेंट क्रिएटर भी थे, तो सब लोग यहाँ पे आए हुए थे। ये रूट 66 उम्र रमूल में लोकेटेड है, तो इनके साथ यहाँ पे बहुत सारी जो है इनके पास क्लासिक गाड़ियाँ भी हैं। और वो
Good place, good place, good guy.
थैंक यू वेरी मच, थैंक यू। सो प्लीज़ विज़िट करें यहाँ पे और आएँ, उनके पास गाड़ियाँ हैं बहुत सारी, जो सारी आके गाड़ियाँ देखें और अगर कोई लाना चाहता है तो थैंक यू वेरी मच, प्लीज़।